in the net. Oh boy. Well, that was a silent show of fun. That is a great looking rainbow right there. Really great looking rainbow. Super feisty. 9 and just shy of 8, so 16 and a half. 17, somewhere in there. Let's get it on out of the net now. Oh man, it's beautiful. Oh, easy there. Real beautiful colors on that little cut bow. There it goes. Oh! Let's go again. Well, this is a good one here too. Didn't have the camera on, but we're making the best of it. T100's hooked up, doing good. Got that mini leech out there on the bottom, always doing what it needs to do. Oh, almost. Come here, fish. What a beautiful trout right there. We've got a 10, just over 7, 17 and a half. Beautiful rainbow trout. Super feisty. What a beautiful fish. There it goes. Nice and graceful. Oh boy. Another good fish right there. Really good fish. And the net. Oh boy, my back, ow. Oh man, hurts to lean over. Off the hook. It's feisty. Super feisty. 10 and just over 6. So 16 and a half inch rainbow trout. It's super feisty. Really feisty rainbow trout. There it goes. Oh boy, I didn't know what was going on there for a second. Line just kept going in all the right directions, so I pulled up on it. Here we are, fighting the beast. Not too bad of a fish. No, almost got it into the net there that time. Oh, come on now. In there. Off the hook. Oh boy. It's a flipping flopping, making a mess. 10, 6, 16. Real feisty. Trying to get my legs to grip the net so I can get this fish out. A little torn up lip on one side, torn up on the other. It likes to fight. Beautiful rainbow trout. There it goes, hanging out right there on the rock.